In this video, I'll show you how to change the battery on your Mazda 5 key fob. This particular fob was used on the Mazda 5 for models between 2006 and 2015. Inside, we're going to replace a CR1620 battery. Just follow along and you'll get your battery in there in no time. Flip this out first, and looking in that compartment where the key just was, you see where the light is reflecting off of that? That's a little groove that we're going to push off of. And as you can see, once you start to move it, this whole top plastic part is going to come right off. So you can just continue pushing and then start working from the bottom. But if yours is a little too tight and it doesn't come easily with your fingers, grab a tool like a flathead screwdriver. Hold the top here, because this is not going to move. This is going to come up. So you don't want to hold this part. Hold the top and find that groove and push. Just push right up on it and it'll come straight off. Or once you have a little separation, come in the bottom. Just with a little twist, you can really safely remove that part to get access to the battery. From here, I'm going to use a precision screwdriver to remove the battery because it's in there pretty deep. This is just a cheap set of precision screwdrivers you can get for a couple dollars on Amazon. I'll leave a link if you want to get one of these. You can use a pen, excuse me, or a toothpick or something, but I think it's safer and kind of easier with one of these. But no matter what you have, we're going to go to with the key facing down. We're going to go to the bottom right corner here where there's this little arrow and insert our tool almost to the bottom and start just trying to pry out the battery, just rocking it. And there we go, we loosened it up. Again, in that corner, you can see that, and just rocking and prying, and it will pop right out. Once you have your replacement CR1620, make sure the face of the battery that has the brand information goes down into this part. And you will just slide in, if you just slide in the top, so this top part goes into its place, and then you push on the bottom, it clicks securely into place. And now, just lining everything up and pushing it back in. We're done, we're good to go. You have a new battery in there and you're ready to go for a drive. So thanks for watching.